Here are some weird things caught on security cameras that will blow your mind. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. A lot of kids do things carelessly. But none of them can be as bad as this kid, who got trapped inside an elevator after peeing all over the buttons. He got rescued later on by the building security. When you think of a robbery, you might envision a beautifully executed heist. Well, this woman is the opposite. Watch her run straight into the revolving door during a failed robbery attempt. This might be the bad day for her. Dumb moments happen to the best of us, but this mechanic has to take the crown though. Tempered glass is mainly used as a safety measure, and essentially shatters into thousands of pieces instead of sharp shards of glass. If you ever wanted to see it in action, just ask this guy to open the door for you. This mother bear opens a car to let herself and her little cubs in. Where do you think they're off to? This cargo train crosses 7 lanes on a busy highway without any warning. In fact, the railroad tracks can hardly even be seen. This could be really dangerous as well as crazy to see such a thing. Ever had one of those real-life moments that are so odd? They seemed like a fever dream. Well, this guy in Azor ball rolling across an intersection has to be one of them. Isn't that hilarious? While dash cams are mostly used for safety in case of accidents, they can also catch some pretty awesome stuff, like a meteor flying through the sky, appearing to turn the sky from night to day. Isn't that beautiful? What was that late-night snack cravings happened to the best of us? Well, this bear took it a little too far when he decided to raid a grocery store for all their candy. When a CCTV camera malfunctioned, it made passers-by look hilarious. The security guard must have had a field day watching it over. That's all for today. Let us know about your favorite part in the video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive our notifications.